Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I have an unboxing from Nectar Bath Treats. They recently did a collab with a YouTuber, a little girl. Her channel's called Just Nastya, I think is how you say it. And she has her own line of bath bombs and stuff, so I decided to order them. And then of course I will be doing demos of all the products. And they did give me a free mystery gift, so we'll take a look at what that is. Ooh. Bright green bath bomb, some dried flowers perhaps on top. Ooh, it's peppermint. It smells really good. I'll do a demo of that as well. And I did get a candle because I've been wanting to try those, and then I think I got 4 of her bath bombs. So there's the candle, and her bath bombs have little cat rings, I think, hidden inside. I don't really remember all the details, but again, I'll be doing demos on each one of those. Glad they wrapped this really well. But I might need a scissors. These candles are so cute. They came out a while ago. They're so pretty. You almost don't want to burn them. This one is Pink Berry Marmalade. I like the lid too. It's like wooden. That's pretty. Oh my gosh, how cute. Looks like little waffles and little embeds in there. Doesn't that look so good? Adorable. So I'll definitely use that. Might do a separate video on that just so you can kind of see how it burns. Maybe like a sped up video. So here's the first one. Sweetest Surprise Bath Bomb with a surprise inside. Cute. I think it just slides out maybe. Well, it's already ripping, so let's let's just go ahead and open it that way. I'll have to make sure I keep the labels with them. I think this is the one that smells like grapes because that's what I'm smelling right now. How cute. Oh, that's pretty. Raylan is going to love these. Pink bath bomb, and there's some blue and purple drizzled on it. Adorable. So we'll keep that one with that. Also have Treat Me bath bomb. They all smell really good. I can smell them. This one is white and purple. Then we have 2 more. Fizzy Surprise Bath Bomb. At first I didn't know who this YouTuber was. I don't think Raylan watches her videos, but I have seen her stuff at Target. So once I saw the name, I was like, yeah, I'm pretty sure I know who that is. It's a cute little girl. Pink and blue, a little bit of mica on that one. And the last one, Sweet Kitty Bath Bomb. And there was other products besides just bath bombs, but since that's what I mainly do demos on, that's what I went ahead and got. Oh my gosh, that's adorable. Little cat with a little soap embed, it looks like, on top. Cute. And I think that's it, but I will double check the box. Lots of packing peanuts in there. Yeah, it looks like that's it. So we got a free bath bomb. I believe that was because it was a returning order. I've ordered before from them. So yeah, if you want to order anything, I do have a code below, a link below, and that should still be active. I think it's Mama20. You saved you 20%. I'm not sure if that's good off the brand new line, but it's good off of other bath bombs, candles, stuff like that. So thanks so much for watching. Bye guys.